Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Business Ethics, Week 6, Assignment 6. So the first question is, in the rational model of a business organization, the primary reality of the firm is, so these are the option and the answer of our first question is B, formal hierarchies and contracts. And now let's go to our question number 2, a conflict of interest arises when an employee, so these are the option and the answer of our second question is B, holds a personal interest conflicting with employer obligations. And now let's go to our question number 3, which of the following is a recognized way to eliminate a conflict of interest? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. Removing the employee from the conflicting task. And now let's go to our question number 4. The similarity argument compares managerial power to government power to justify. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Employee rights similar to citizens' right. And now let's go to our question number 5. One counter argument to the similarity argument is that managerial power, so these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B, is easier to escape than government power. And now let's go to our question number 6. Organizational politics typically involves actions such as, so these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B, image building and coalition formation. And now let's go to our question number 7. In the caring model of organization, caring is primarily, so these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C, an end in itself focused on one person. And now let's go to our question number 8. A major ethical risk in caring organizations is, so these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C, burnout due to over caring. And now let's go to our question number 9. The ethical criticism of the term human resource management is that it, so these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, treats human as costly resources to be optimized. And now let's go to our question number 10. Employment at will always employers to. So these are the option and the answer for our 10th question is B. Fire employees for any or no reason. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.